Alright, Xiaomi fans, buckle up, it's TechDevil here. Today, I'm talking about something that's got the tech world buzzing. Xiaomi's new Redmi K70 Ultra Championship Edition. Imagine holding a Lamborghini in your palm. Yeah, it's that kind of special. So, Xiaomi's been teasing this bad boy, and from what I've seen, it's a game changer. First off, the design. Inspired by Lamborghini, this phone screams luxury and speed. The sleek lines, the bold colors, and that iconic Lamborghini logo. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. Now let's dive under the hood. The K70 Ultra is packing a serious punch with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This means blazing fast performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. And with up to 16 GB of RAM, lag is a thing of the past. Plus, the 512 GB storage ensures you'll never run out of space for your apps, photos, and videos. But that's not all. The display, it's a stunner. A 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and everything looks just beautiful. Whether you're watching Netflix or browsing Instagram, the visual experience is unmatched. Photography enthusiasts, Xiaomi's got you covered. The Redmi K70 Ultra features a quad camera setup with a 108MP main sensor. That's right, 108MP. Crystal clear photos, even in low light. And the ultra-wide macro and telephoto lenses give you all the flexibility you need to capture the perfect shot. Battery life? No worries there. A massive 5000 mAh battery ensures you get through the day with ease. And when you need a quick boost, the 120W fast charging gets you from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. That's some serious speed, folks. Let's not forget the software. MIUI 14, based on Android 13, brings a smooth, intuitive experience with tons of customization options. It's all about making the phone truly yours. So, who's this phone for? If you're someone who loves cutting-edge tech, stunning design, and top-notch performance, the Redmi K70 Ultra Championship Edition is for you. It's like having a Lamborghini in your pocket. Fast, stylish, and powerful. That's it for now, folks. If you're excited as I am about the Redmi K70 Ultra, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech goodness. Catch you in the next one. Peace. TechDevil.